Hi everyone, today's hairstyle is a little bit of a dressy hairstyle that would be perfect for a father-daughter dance or a flower girl. So to start this style, I'm just going to create a part line at the front of the hair from ear to ear, and then the rest of the hair I'm just going to clip in back so it's out of the way. Then I'm going to spray gel and smooth the hair down so that I can start my braid on the front. I'm creating a Dutch lace braid, which means that I'm going to have 3 strands to my braid, and I'm going to be picking up hair from the front half of the hair, but not from the back. And then my strands are going to go under instead of over. So right now I'm just putting my strands under on one side and then under on the other side. And then I'm going to go back to the side that I just was on. And then I'm going to pick up hair from the front half of the child's hair. But when I go back to the other side, I will not be adding any additional hair. One thing that really makes this style easier if you're just starting out is to have your child turn their head to the side so that their head is laying flatter. Or you could also have them lay down on the couch and you could braid their hair that way. When you've done it several times, you can do it with their head straight up, but it is a lot easier if their head is turned to the side. So as you can see, I'm just adding hair to the front half, and you want to make sure that as you're going along this headband that you try to keep your braid as straight as possible so that it looks nice and even as you're going through. So after every time I add hair, I just go back in and I pull it tight so that I kind of line the braid back up. Make sure that you use a comb to pull the hair in, and I think your braid will look a lot nicer in the end. Once you've added all the hair from the front, you're just going to continue to braid down the rest of the hair. The other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pancake on one side of the braid. That way, when I roll the hair up into the bun, it'll look more like a flower on the side. So you want to braid down maybe 4 or 5 strands and then just pick one side and pull the hair out gently to create the petals for your braid. When you get to the bottom of your braid, just add in a clear elastic to hold the hair in place. Next, you're going to take your braid and roll it up into a bun. And then you're just going to position it on the side of the head and use as many bobby pins as you need to hold it into place. Next, I'm just going to spray the hair down so any flyaways are held into place, And then I'm going to take a jewel and just twist it into the center of my bun. From here, this next step is optional, but I'm going to curl her hair just because she's going to a special event. So what I'm doing right now is just adding in probably 4 or 5 squirts of spray gel, and then I'm going to section the hair off by putting the top half up. Next, I'm just going to curl her hair using a wand. The wand I have is a tapered wand. You can use any wand. This is about a 1-inch wand, but it is tapered. And then I'm just going to wrap the hair around, going away from her face, and hold it for a few seconds before letting it out. Now I'm just going to finish my curls by doing the top section. Once I have these curls in place, I'm just going to add a little bit of hairspray, but I'm not going to pull them out. I find that with little girls, I like to keep these tight ringlets in place, but if you'd like to have them be more separated, you can pull them out if you prefer. I hope you guys liked our Dutch lace braid into a flower. If you recreate this style, please be sure to tag us on Instagram at Hair for Little Girls or in this video.